Hello everybody and welcome to this week's singing assembly. My name's Laura and today we are going to learn a little African chant to start off and to warm up, and then we're going to have a go at a really lovely two-part song. So we need to be able to say the following words: c'est moi, dadende, c'est moi. And we say them like this. I'll say a line, you sing a line. Ready? C'est moi dadende, c'est moi. 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 So the first section is the same line round twice. Okay? Ready? 2, 3, 4. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi. Brilliant. Then we lift our voices right up to the top and we're going to come down a pattern. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi. Ready? Let's try that together. 3, 4. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi. Brilliant. So it's the same line twice and then we sing that lovely descending pattern. Are you ready? Here we go. 2, 3, 4. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi. C'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi dadende, c'est moi. Lovely, well done everybody. Today's song is called Hear the Wind and it's got two parts to it. So this is part 1 that we're going to learn first. And it goes like this. Hear the wind up in the trees, come along and follow me. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free from the mountains to the valleys, from sea to shining sea? Hear my song, my melody. Come away, oh come with me. So let's break it down and learn it a little line at a time. First line, me first. Hear the wind up in the trees. You. Hear the wind up in the trees. Me. Come along and follow me. Come along and follow me. Let's put those two lines together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. Then we sing nearly the same tune again. Listen to this one. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free? So it's only the last line that's different, isn't it? Hear my song, my melody. Then you have to go down. Don't you wish that you were free? Ready? So let's try Hear My Song. 1, 2, 3. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free? Then we get from the mountains to the valleys. Try that. 1, 2, 3. From the mountains to the valleys. Next line. From sea to shining sea. From sea to shining sea. Last line. Hear my song, my melody. three. Hear my song, my melody. Come away, oh come with me. Well done. Let's try the whole song. Ready? Right from the beginning. Ready? Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free from the mountains to the valleys, from sea to shining sea? Hear my song, my melody. Come away, oh come with me. Fantastic, well done. So that is the section that leads the song. That's the section that comes in first. As well as the melody, we have a second line that acts almost as an echo. It basically echoes all the way through, and it nearly follows the same tune. There's only slight differences, okay? So we're going to have to imagine that we've got the first line there, and then I'm going to play you that little section, which is the first group singing Hear the Wind, so we know where we are for timing, okay? So have a listen to this. This is the first line for the second part. Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. So the difference is the drop at the end of the line, isn't it? Okay, so let's try that. We'll give our introduction of the first line and then we have a go at that line. Ready? Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. Excellent. Now the next line is nearly exactly the same. Listen to this. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free? So there's only the last three notes that are different. Follow me, you were free. That's the difference, okay? So let's try that second line. Ready? Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free? Brilliant. Let's put those together. Ready? Right from the beginning. Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free from the mountains to the valleys, from sea to shining sea? So I added the next section. We copy from the mountains to the valleys, and then this line's different. From sea to shining sea. Okay, the last line. Hear my song, my melody. Come away, oh come with me. Let's try that line. Ready? Hear my song, my melody. Come away, oh come with me. Brilliant. Let's try the whole of the second part. Ready? Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you Fantastic, well done. So now we put the whole thing together. What happens is the first time round we sing in 2 parts, but the first time round everybody sings the very first tune, okay? Then we do a repeat in the second time round. We have a group that break off and you'll see another Laura appear on your screen to help you. And we have the second part comes in as well to finish the song. So here we go. Let's do a performance of Hear the Wind. Ready all together? Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free from the mountains to the valleys, from sea to shining sea? Hear my song, my melody. Come away, oh come with me. Ready? So this group, yeah, my group, stay with me. Hear the wind up in the trees. Come along and follow me. Hear my song, my melody. Don't you wish that you were free from the mountains to the valleys, from sea to shining sea? Hear my song, my melody. Come away, oh come with me. Lovely, well done everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. You can keep practicing that one and make sure that if you're singing the tune, stay with the main screen, Laura. And if you decide to add the second part, then you've got the Laura in the box as well, haven't you, to help you. Brilliant work today, everybody. I'll see you next week with a brand new singing assembly. Take care. Bye.